drive to a car park and we're going to reverse into a space. Now, it's in the afternoon, 3:40. So I'm expecting the car park to be not full, but at least half full. It's a little car park, and it's not a square one. It's a tight one. If people are wondering where I am, I'm in Milton Keynes. I'm in Newport Pagnell. So if you know Newport Pagnell, you probably know the car park. And it's going to be interesting. I'm not going to do the reverse into a space that you would normally do when you learn to drive, which is get yourself parallel to the ends. What I am going to do is do a 45 degrees, swing it out to the right or left. It depends which side I want to do it on. I suppose it all depends on what spaces are there, but I'll try and talk you through it. I'll try and give it an idea what's going on. So we're going to go left. Wave, take my time coming in. It's quite a bit of a narrow bit, so I'm not going fast. I'm doing about 7-8 miles an hour, taking my time. It's a right turn to go in here. It's a car coming out, centre mirror right. Bring myself round, a bit wider, and bring myself in. I'm just going to take my time coming into here. So it's not quiet. It's about 85% full. There's a space there on the left straight away. Now, picking your space, that's an easy one straight in front of me there. It's too easy for us. You've got to pick it where the cars are actually in the bays. So it's tempting on the left here with the Porsche. I'll have a quick look. Yeah, it's big enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the back end of my car level with that Nissan Note at the corner of it. So I'm going to go past it and check the mirrors and swing it out to the right. I'm checking my side mirror here, checking that front of the car. So that's where it is there. I'm looking, I can see the Nissan Note, so I'll pop it in reverse. I'll look around, make sure there's no one walking around. There's a guy waiting. I'm going to bring it in, taking my time, looking in my mirrors, especially the left and right mirrors. Checking around, doing a little bit of clutch, take a little bit of steering off to go a bit wider, because I'm getting close to the left. Load space on the right, and bring that steering back round to the left. Checking my mirrors. I have got a reversing camera, but I'm not using the reversing camera. I'm going really slow, take some steering off, and I'm going to get in quite easy here now. And I'm just going to check around, and I'll use a bit of reversing camera at the end just to see how close I am to the fence. Easy. So it wasn't a straightforward get the steering on and I'm going to go in. It's get yourself lined up with the corner of your left car, with the corner of their car, swing it out to the right, and then bring it in, but do a little bit of adjustment of the steering to kind of gradually get yourself in rather than swing it in. So I think what I'll do is I'll just go back out, and there's a space on the right there between the white VW and the blue Vauxhall, the electric one. And what we'll do there is we'll reverse into the right side with it. So I'm going to bring myself back out, taking my time because I can't see what's coming because of the Porsche next to me. Go nice and slow. It was clear. All right, now I want to get into that side there, so I'm going to come across to the right. All right, and I'm doing the opposite now, checking my left mirror, nothing's there. Getting the car across to the left with the back end of the car near the Vauxhall. Swing the steering wheel to the right, pop it in reverse. Have a look round. I can see the Vauxhall on my left side. A little bit of clutch and gas. I can just see the Vauxhall now in the right mirror. I'm going to do a bit of steering to the right to bring it in. I'm going to make it in quite easy. All about a bit of clutch control, maybe a bit of power if you need it. It's going to go in. It's going to be a little bit tight to the Vauxhall, so I'm going to take a bit of left steering off to go a bit wider, heading towards the VW, the white car. Then put a little bit of steering back on to bring it back in. So it's a little adjustment, a little fudge. Bringing it back round, straightening myself back up, straightening the wheels up, and slowly going back in. Because remember, it could be a car behind, which it is, or it could be a fence or a post So if you've got, even if the sensors are coming on, but if you went fast, you wouldn't necessarily get the sensors up until the end. So it's a quick one. Okay, so I hope you liked it. If you do, fantastic. And I'll put a video up here of the original reverse into space, which is what you're going to learn if you learn to drive, which is parallel to the base to reverse in. Take care. See you on the next lesson.